Hi, hello, welcome everyone to the another exciting video with a great exciting product launched in the market. And in this video we are not going to see what every reviewer is doing in online, like not giving honest reviews or just reading out the marketing page. And also this is not a demo kind of video, like showing 2 to 3 demo options, which is completely waste of time. If you want to see demo of this product, click the link mentioned below in the description. So there you get how to use this software of by these 4 videos. So hosting your domain, how to clone a product, review and overview, demo and centralized video mp4. So I will give the access to this Google Drive in the comment section as well as description. Okay, now coming to the point, but in our video we are going to see review all the possibilities of this product. What they mentioned here, is this product really works or scam on? What are the things they promised? What are the things they are promised to deliver? And full analysis of this product. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So this is the marketing page of this software named Centralize. So what is mean by Centralize? It's nothing but creating our own structure for the affiliate offers, which makes profit more, but some minor tweaking or adding contact details or adding demo videos or even premium bonus to our affiliate offers. So sound interesting? So that too without a domain. Yeah, they will provide you a domain, so there is no need to worry about that. So that sound interesting, yes, but how that Centralize works? So this is the biggest question we have. So without a domain and within a short period of time, we can create our own structure. So this is what they promised to deliver. So common doubt is, what if I get blocked by using centralized links by any other platform? Yeah, this is the biggest nightmare for every affiliate marketers, because their link get blocked by Facebook or some other Google, YouTube or whatever maybe, it gets blocked if you are using other party links. But here in Centralized, there is no worry to use their link, because we can't get blocked by Facebook or any other form of platforms, or even YouTube, Google or any platform you take, you didn't get blocked by those platforms. So there is no need to use link shortener also. Yeah, like a website Bitly, Cutly, some other websites we are using to promote our links, so we use those link shortener. But in this case we are not going to use those link shortener. So yeah, and also the exciting thing is, we can create within less than 3 minutes. Yeah, we can create our own structure within 3 minutes and also get more control of our traffic, and can use within our phone. So these are the things they have promised, and this is how it works. So this is the main selling point of this software. By using Centralize, we can also control our traffic. Yeah, I also said before. And the main doubt is they provide a customer care or service support? Absolutely yes. Look here, within a click of the button you can chat with the author of this software, Centralize. So name is Daniel Dominguez. So is this the private chat of WhatsApp? And now the biggest question of common affiliate marketer: what is the advantage of affiliates who use Centralize comparing non-centralized affiliate? Yeah, yes, we can create our own structure rather using their product structure, which is boring or great product with low conversion rate. In those products you can create your own structure. We can't get blocked by any other platform. So this is the main nightmare for every affiliate. Yes, you cannot get blocked by any means of platform. So these are the reviewers of this Centralize, though look at without fear for the right audience. So yes, here he mentioned he had increased the amount of sales due to one feature, which is WhatsApp button in the page PV low. So these are the advantages of Centralize who are using this. So we can also add Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram on our sales page. So this is the biggest thing, because our customers, if they want to contact us for any doubts, so we can integrate those chat system in the Centralize. But yeah, this is, and also we can advertise on Google AdWords and Facebook ads without fear. So I hope all your doubts and questions are cleared. If you have any, just comment down below. But before signing off, interesting part is premium bonus. Yes, those who purchase this product from the link mentioned below in the description as well as comment section. Yes, this is not some useless promoters give 10 or 20s of free bonus, which is completely useless. Here we as House of Z Panda designs a premium bonus in order to help all those who are either entrepreneur, marketer, doing 9 to 5 job, or even a student, whatever you may be. That's a 5 premium bonus. To know more about that, I have mentioned in the comment and description below. So these are the 5 premium bonus purely from the makers of House of Z Panda. So look, you are looking in those premium bonuses now. So these are the bonus officially from Z Panda. So look at those. If you want to know more about that, click the link mentioned below. And how to avail that? Simple. Just purchase this product from the link mentioned in the description as well as comment section, and upload the receipt of your purchase in the link mentioned below. That's all. You will receive those premium bonus within a day. And I think that's all for today. If you have any doubts, comment down below. Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye.